The first video showed catalog ingestion. This video will show how to search, report, and restore data from tape without the original backup software. So here you see the backup sets that have been ingested previously using the index engine's catalog ingestion. All the metadata is searchable and usable within the index engine's interface. Some of the simple reporting tools allow you to filter by backup sets. This is helpful for large environments that have a significant number of backup sets. You can filter by host names, you can filter by backup dates, you can filter by backup agents. So for example, if you're just looking for Exchange or Notes backups, you can do that here. And any types of backups and backup metadata you want to use for filtering can be accomplished using this interface. Here we want to look at some of the backup reports. These are backup hosts and root paths. Here you can look at the detailed metadata for these backup segments. You can also look and filter based on these backup sets. This is helpful if you have something like an e-discovery or a restore request for specific content. You can do some filtering based on dates or servers or hosts that were backed up. An index engine captures really detailed backup information based on the metadata contained in the original catalog. So once you ingest the legacy catalog, you'll see the locations of the original backups listed here. So for a corporate environment, you'll see the original directory structures and host names and so on. You can filter and browse by these locations. Again, this is helpful really to kind of look and locate content based on certain servers or user shares that existed out on the network. So Index Engines has a number of very powerful interactive reports. You can report on the catalog metadata, including file extensions, access times, file sizes, host names, and a range of other types of metadata criteria. There's a full list of reports. This is helpful really to review and do an assessment of your data that exists in the catalog and determine what you really want to maintain for long-term retention purposes. Again, so combining the location filters with some of the reporting filters gives you very deep culling and policy development on the data. So here we reported by a specific location, and once you're in that location, you can look here really by file extensions, access times, and so on. Now here's a detailed list of the file listing of the content. Here you can see a list of all the files and the metadata properties associated with the specific files. So you can see with index engines, you can drill in very deep into the metadata content. Now we want to get the data off of tape. In this case, we're extracting an individual file. This can be used to restore a large set of data or migrate a large set of data from tape to disk. You really specify a target location, which in this case could be disk or it could be a cloud target. You make sure you have access and permission to write data in that target. And then using the integrated interface, you would just select this option, and the data will be migrated and restored from tape directly to that location. Again, not using the original backup software. A very important point. And here you see the files extracted. The extraction time really depends on the physical tape type, DLT, LTO1, LTO2, LTO4 or 5, as well as the volume of data being extracted. So you can see extraction is just about complete. If we browse to that location, we'll see the original native data being extracted. Again, this could be a cloud source or any disk source. And when data is extracted from tape, all the metadata is maintained. So you're not looking at any change of owner, change of access times, and so on. Okay, so going into the folder, the extraction folder, you can see the native content. And all the directory structure. In this case, it's a Word document. So retrieving that Word document, and this data has been restored from tape to disk. So this could be done for a single file or for a large class migration of data, eliminating the use of tape for long-term retention.